The latest release for Dassault Systèmes 3DEXPERIENCE platform delivers an elegant, powerful business experience environment. With role-based functionality, easily access apps and services users need with one click. The new 3DEXPERIENCE Marketplace offers an ecosystem of qualified industrial service providers for operations like 3D printing, and self-defined 3D dashboards streamline collaboration for both users and management across industries to create innovative consumer experiences. Companies understand the need for realistic simulation to reduce costs and increase performance. In fact, simulation can go even further. We believe simulation is a comprehensive tool to reveal the world we live in. This can be clearly seen through the latest SIMULIA R2020x portfolio, which delivers enhancements that maximize the value of simulation for end-to-end industry processes. Requirements management, conceptual design, validation, manufacturing, and consumer end use all can be tracked and enhanced on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. A complete set of multi-scale and multi-physics capabilities power these industry processes, including connections to state-of-the-art established technology for structures, fluids and acoustics, electromagnetics, and multi-body simulation. SIMULIA R2020x also supports our mainstream product designer community, including tight integration with both CATIA and SOLIDWORKS. New structural designer and structural engineer roles provide a complete linear structural analysis solution to assess the performance of products throughout product development. And the structural professional engineer role provides advanced simulation technology fully integrated with design, especially with SOLIDWORKS. Customers can secure their existing investments in simulation methods, data, and results by connecting directly to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform with Power BI to do even more. Increase the visibility and value of project data, collaborate with stakeholders, distribute best practices, and integrate simulation more fully into design and business decision-making. Finally, for maximum simulation efficiency, you need scalable access to both computing hardware and software licensing. SIMULIA on-cloud roles accommodate a wide range of computing requirements and provide access to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform without requiring a local platform installation. Simulation is fully integrated with design, engineering, test, and manufacturing on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, bringing the virtual and real worlds together to power innovation and business and reveal the world we live in. Available on-premise and in public or private cloud, Dassault Systèmes 3DEXPERIENCE platform is a business experience platform that enables our clients to create delightful experiences from design to point of sale for their ultimate customers or consumers. For more information, please explore our website or contact sales for a personal demo.